Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appium Guide. As a part of our Appium gestures using Appium Inspector Gestures tab series, in this video we'll see how to perform scroll gesture using Appium Inspector Gestures. Okay, so what I will do, I'll open the Appium Inspector. Okay, and I have my emulator. Okay, so we'll click on this views and will perform the scroll. We'll scroll this menu. Okay, this functionality we will automate. Okay, by using the Appium Inspector Gestures tab. Okay, so I have opened the Appium Inspector and I have the saved capability set, and I select the sample here. So in the sample I have given the platform name Android, automation name UI Automator 2. Okay, so before starting the session, I run the Appium server. Appium server. So my Appium server is getting started. So it is loading all the drivers and plugins. Once it is done, we'll start the session. Yes, it is done now. Now we'll click on the start session. So few seconds it will create the session. Yes. So session got created, and okay, in this screen I need to perform the scroll here. So I had to click on the gestures tabs where we can able to create the whatever the gestures we want to create it. Okay, so here we click on the plus icon here. So when you mouse over it, it says create new gesture. So I click on that one. Okay, now I want to perform the scroll on this one. Okay, so I will show a demo video here. So what exactly scroll here? See, I have facing my finger here and just I am moving the finger. You can see that this video here. I place a finger, I press it, and then I'll move it. Okay, see, press it, move it, and lift the finger. So this gesture I need to replicate here. Okay, see, this action I want to replicate here. Okay, so come back to our Appium inspector, and we have the, when you click on the create new gesture plus button, it will show the gestures builder here. The first we give the title here. Okay, I say scroll demo. Okay, and description is say, give a short description here. Say perform scroll action. Okay, that's it. So I given the description, I given the title and the description here, and I'll set the pixel here. Default is a percentage, I give the pixel here. Okay, so now we have the this is a gesture timeline. Okay, so in gesture timeline it is showing as a circle with a question mark, means we not have any action here. Okay, so here it shows the pointer tab, so it says pointer 1 here. Okay, so I will say, I'll give the index finger here. So I say index. Okay, it accepts the 10 characters, so R is missing, so it have the index finger here. Okay, named it from a pointer 1 to the index finger here. Okay, the first thing what I had to do, I had to place my finger here, and then I had to press it, and then I had to move my finger to certain area, then I had to lift my finger. Okay, so this is a scrollable area. Okay, in this app this is a scrollable area. Okay, so what I will do, the first action, what is our first action here? As per our video, first of all I had to place the finger on the mobile screen, so we had to use the action type called move. Okay, move, where I had to move here, Okay, I had to place the finger on the image view, that place. So I had to place the finger here and just click on here. You can see when you observe here, you have the dotted circle, means I have placing my finger here. Okay, and it is showing the x and y coordinates of this position, that is in pixel. Okay, and then so I am just moving my finger on the mobile screen, so there is no need to give the duration here. So it is the default 0 milliseconds. So after placing here, I need to press the screen. So I had to use the action type called down, pointer down. Okay, see, previously when was move, it is dotted circle. When I added this action type, the dotted circle become the solid circle here, dot. Okay, so now I moved my finger here and I press the mobile screen. Then I had to move from here to here. Okay, so I am using 100%. Okay, 100% means from here to here, this position, see, till the buttons. Okay, so what I will do, I will add the one more action. So we have the plus symbol here. So if you click on the plus symbol, you can able to add the other action here. Okay, so I had to move, right? So I had to select the move here. Okay, so where I had to move? From here to here. Okay, that is 100%. In this scrollable view, I want to scroll to 100% here. So I am selecting the till the end here. You can observe here when I click, when the I see x and y coordinates are null here. Okay, I just click on here. Just observe the change here. See, we got the arrow here. So it's showing the line here, and here you can see the x and y coordinate, and it's given time also. Okay, I'll explain this, what the use of this time here. Okay, it's showing milliseconds. I'll explain it. Okay, and then what I have to do, after moving here, I need to lift my finger. Okay, so the next action I need to add. So next action is pointer up. Okay, that is the left button I kept in. So first I had moving my finger here. Okay, then I have pressing the mobile screen, then I have moving my finger, okay, from here to in this position, okay, to this x and y coordinates. Then I am lifting my finger here. So same our video has shown, this type of gesture we are replicating there. Just see the same thing. The same thing we are replicating there. Okay. So move, pointer down, that is a press, and then I am moving to this position and then lift my finger. Okay. Now we will run this command. Okay. So I just minimize it and just you can observe the change here. Okay, now I will run the script here. So we have the button called play. Just observe here. Now it is performing the scroll gesture. Okay, and it performing in certain time here. Okay, this is the time I mentioned here. Okay, so once again I run it to go by default. I run it here. So I am moving the scroll to upward direction. So it is scrolling here. So as I told, I will explain what is the use of this time here. Okay, so based upon this time, okay, I can mention how fast you can scroll. Okay, suppose I give more time here, it takes more time to scroll to from this position to this position. Okay, so I'll show the example here. So we demonstrate. So I'll see here, now it is, I give as I say just give 1 second. Okay, so within 1 second the scroll will perform from this position to this position. You can see the speed here. Okay, I click on the play button, you can observe the difference here. Okay, see how fast it, see, very fast. Okay, now what I will do, I will increase the time here so they can observe the difference. So from 1 millisecond I say 10 milliseconds. Okay, that is okay, 10,000 milliseconds means 10 seconds, means it will take 10 seconds from this position to this position. Okay, to scroll. Now you can observe the speed. Previously it was very speed, right? Now you observe the speed. See, it is slowly scrolling from this position to that position. Observe the speed. That is the use of this field, that is a millisecond. Move milliseconds here. So it will take 10 seconds from move from this position to this position here. Okay, here, now we have seen the slower motion, right? So once again what I will do, I will give the, I say just give the 2 seconds here. That is a 2000 milliseconds. Okay, and just click on play. See, now it is fast. So that is the use of this field under the move action. Okay, we can specify the scrollable speed here. Okay, now what happened, I will save this scroll gesture. So how to save it? We have the option called save as. See, when you click on save as, it says gesture saved as scroll demo. Okay, so just here. Okay, now we created the gesture called scroll gesture. Okay, now I want to play it here. So under the saved gestures, we have the gesture here. See, when I mouse over it, it will show the position here. See, you can just see in the left side screen. Okay, now you see there is not showing anything here. So just I mouse over this particular gesture, you can see the position it is showing here. Okay, so what I did here, I have done the 100% scroll. You can see from view, web view to rotating buttons we have. 100% scroll I am performing on the scrollable element here. Okay, now I want to make it to 50%, means I want to make it to linear. Okay, how we can able to do it? So we have the option called edit. Click on edit. Now I want to change the position from here to here. Okay, so how we can able to change? So the first position I will not change. I will change the second move. The first move is I placing this finger here only. Then in second move we have this icon. Okay, I say when I mouse over, it says toggle setting coordinate by via clicking on the screenshot. Okay, I just click on here. It will become a blue color, become highlighted in blue color, and just come to the screen and click on anywhere in the screen. See, now see the scroll area is decreased. Till previously it was here, now it is here. Means I am scrolling to certain percentage of scroll I am performing here. Okay, now once again I'll run it here. See, now you can see the speed also I given 2 seconds here. I just say play. You can see it will not perform 100% scroll, it performs a certain amount of scroll here. Okay, now once again I want to change it here. I want to small scroll action. Okay, just already highlighted here the move. I just click on somewhere here. See, the small scroll I want to perform, small amount of scroll. Observe the difference here. See, only small percentage of scroll I am performing here. So we can specify the percentage of scroll here. Okay, on this scrollable element. Okay, this is how we can able to change here. Okay, and I want to save this one. I will say save. Okay, it says gesture saved. Okay, come back here, and I don't want to edit here. I just want to play. Okay, see, I want to play. See, just I come back to the saved gesture, go to the scroll gesture, and yes, we have the option called play. See, it performs the small amount of scroll. Okay, this is how we can able to perform the scroll gesture in the Appium inspector gestures tab. Okay, and if you want to edit, you can able to edit here. If you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to download, just mouse over to this icon. It says download. Just click on download. Okay, and it will download in the JSON format. So I will not change any name here. I just change to desktop here. Okay, it has given the prefix as gesture -scroll -demo. Okay, and click on save. Now it has saved in our desktop. Just go open desktop here and click on this gesture scroll demo. Click on that one. So it will open in the JSON format here. See, it says index finger and the name of the gesture, that is the scroll demo, description, action. See, we have performed 4 actions here. That is the first I have move my finger, that is a pointer move, and that is a position X and Y coordinates in pixel. Okay, duration is 0. Okay, you remember this one in our, so I'll open here, see. So whatever we have given here, visualize, okay, it is showing in the JSON format here. Okay, first pointer move, pointer down, pointer move, and then duration. Say I given a 2000 milliseconds. It is showing here. Okay, and the type also. That is a what type? I am lifting the finger. Once I move the position. Okay, so this is how we can able to perform the scroll gesture, and you can able to save the gesture in the JSON format. Okay, please note that this will follow the W3C Actions API. Okay, that is the, we have used the two classes. You remember when in our previous videos I have explained about this, how exactly we can able to perform this W3C Actions API, that is creating a virtual finger by using the pointer input class and creating a set of actions on the virtual finger, that is by using the sequence class. The same format it will follow here also. So whatever the gestures we are creating in the Appium inspector will follow the W3C Actions API. Okay, so just close this one and go back to the Appium inspector. Okay, this is how, if you want to save, you can save it here. Okay, it says gesture save, and once again we run it here. Okay, last time we run it. So from the save gesture, okay, what I will do, I will make it 100% scrollable here. Just no need to worry, just create one gesture and you can run it on any app. Okay, so click on this one and just place it here. So I am performing the 100% scroll. Just save it. Just save it. Okay, now go back to the save gesture and just click on the scroll demo. Just click on play button. That's it. We perform the scroll. That is 100% scroll. I'm performing it here. Okay. So this gesture, right, we can perform on any screen here. So I have opened the other app here. Now I created the gesture on this app, right? So what I will do, I want to perform this gesture on this app here. So some issue with the emulator. Just a minute, I just kill this. Okay, so I'll open one second the app. So I am using some app called FastTag app. So I want to perform the gesture on this app, which I created for the API demos. Okay, so once you create a gesture, you can use this gesture on any open app. Okay, just click some play button. See, simple. It is performing the gesture on the any open app. Okay, this is how we can able to perform the scroll gesture by using Appium inspector. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.